Hi everyone, welcome to Wish Problems. So, today we will discuss trigonometry in 3 multiple angles, challenges and packages, class 9. So, let's see. So, challenges. First question. In first main, okay? 2 sine 15 cos 15 is nothing but sine 2 into 15. What is 2 into 15? That is nothing but 30. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Like that only we should do second main also. So 3 sine 10 minus 4 sine cube 10 is equals to 3 into 10. 30. 1 by 2. Again you will get same answer. Right? Now second question we will see. Find the value of sine 2a when sine 2a, so sine a is equals to 12 that time, okay, this one. Then sine a is equals to 12 by 13, cos a is equals to 5 by 13. Then so as you see, the first main is cos a is equals to 3 by 5. That is easy. So that's why we'll discuss second one. Then here we are at 2 into 12 by 13, 5 by 13. Then it will be 2 to 16 by 169. After that, it will be 120 by 169. Right. Then tan A is equals to 16 by 63. After that, what it will become? Sine 2A is equals to 216 by 23 divided by 1 plus 16 by 63. 2. After that, if you substitute, you will get the answer here. Okay. Now just clear all. Third question we will see. Show that sine theta plus cos theta square minus sine theta minus cos theta is equals to 2 sine 2 theta. Here it will be sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. If we substitute, we cancelled here, then it will be 2 sine 2 theta as we proved. Here it's proved. Okay. Now fourth question, here you can see tan theta is equals to sine 2 alpha 1 plus cos 2 alpha, and they are asking tan 22 1 by 2 is equals to root 2 minus 1. They are asking. So if we put the formula and solve, you will get the answer as you can prove. You can just prove it. So next question we will see. Now fifth question, show that cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 8x is equals to sine 2 power 4x, 2 power sine x if sine x not equal to 0. Then now here 1 by sine x is equals to 2 sine x cos x cos 2x, like that. If we solve and simplify it, and here you can see 1 by 16 sine x sine 2 to 8x then your answer as they gave, you can prove it here. So hence proved, right? Now sixth one we will see. Prove that sine theta sine 6 degree minus theta sine 6 degree plus theta is equals to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Hence find the value of sine 20, sine 40 degrees and sine 80 degree. Now here also like that only we should solve. Sine theta sine square 60 minus sine square theta, then sine theta root 3 by 2 square minus sine square theta, sine theta 3 by 4 sine square theta. After that 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, 4 is equals to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Then sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 30 degrees, 1 by 4 sine 3 into 20, right? After that theta is equals to 20. 1 by 4 sine theta sine 60 is equals to the 3 root 3 by 8. So this is also hence proved. Now next question we will. Now Perl package. Classroom packages we will know Perl package. Now first question, 1 minus tan square 45 degree minus theta, 1 plus tan square 45 minus theta. So if we solve you will get the answer as sine 2 theta, that is A. In the same previous question we did, right? Like that only we should do this question. The option is C. Third question, cos 3 theta by 2 cos theta minus 1. Now same simplification, few questions in challenges we did, right? This is also like that. So it's option A. And next question we will see. Fourth question, if x square plus y square is equals to 1, then 4x cube minus 3x whole cube plus 3x minus 4 cube whole cube. Now here we can take as x cos theta, y as sin theta, and whatever the question here we wrote. Now 4 cos square theta minus 3 cos square whole square, then 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta square, then cos square 3 theta plus sin square 3 theta is nothing but 1. So it is option A. Fifth question, here we can see 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta divided by 3 cos theta plus cos 3 sin theta. Here also like same question how we did, like that only. So it is option C. Oh, sorry. Now we will see the emerald package. If 8 sin theta cos theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta is equals to sin x, then find the x. So now they are asking how to they are asking us to find x here. Okay, so same however we did we can do here. So we will get the answer as 8 theta, that is nothing but option B. And here one third question we will see here, cos 3 theta minus 4 cos theta. So here for third question, here the question is not there, direct answer it is. Okay, they started directly, I wrote the answer. The question I am writing for third question here, cos 3 cube minus cos 3 divided by cos theta plus, this is continuation, okay, sin 3 cube plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta. This is the question. Now I will rub and show the solution here. So few questions are same like this, like that only we did here. So it's option A. Now second question here we will see, that is third question, this is second question. The question is very big. Now it's simple to solve. Here it's the continuation here, okay. Now 1 plus tan theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Now if we see there are common, right, so we took a square. Then after that we just expanded it and we just simplified it, so we got cosecant 2 theta. Now that the option is D, and it's a continuation of it. Now here we can see fourth question, then we will see the 10th question also. It is not in an order, so you better write it in an order, okay. So here the question is root 2 plus, in that also inside root 2 1 plus cos 4a. It's nothing but this is little different question. Then 2 plus root 2 1 plus 2 cos square 2a minus 1. So this a here cancel. After that 2 plus 4 cos square 2a, then it will be 2 plus 2 cos 2a, then again here it will be 2 plus 2 cos square a minus 1, again it will be 2 plus 4 cos a minus 2, here it will be 4 cos square a. Then the answer is this. Now the option for fourth question is C. And oh, we forgot to discuss 10th question, right? 10th question is sin theta minus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. It is also simple. Oh my god, sorry for disturbance. So here we are. So as we know, same like that, it is also same question, same method. So the option is C and D. Here you can see, right? Now fifth question we will see here, okay. 2 cos theta is equals to x plus 1 by x. We should cube both sides here. If we cube, it will be 2 cos theta whole cube x plus 1 by x square. Then here we wrote the formula, you can see. This is the formula, okay. And then after that 8 cos cube, wait a minute, I'll rub for you. 8 cos 3 cube is equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3. After that here the simplification. So the option for fifth one is B, okay. So here 8 cos cube minus 6 cos theta, 8 cube plus 1 by 3, again 4 cos cube theta, 3 cos cube cos theta, then 3 cube plus 1 by x cube. Then if you simplify it, 2 cos theta plus 3x plus 1 by x cube. Now sixth question is here. Sin 4 theta sin 2a is equals to 2. Sin A cos A. Then here also same like that simplification. Here then the option will be A, and here also as we saw few questions like that only. So the option is D. Finally 4 is the answer. Okay. Now 8th question, if we see, it's very lengthy but it's little complicated but little easy. Okay. Then if we see here we should just cross multiply. Then after that if we do, it will be cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole square minus 2 cos square alpha sin square alpha divided by 2 sin 2 sin square alpha square. So after that if we simplify this, we will get like, so like simplifying we'll get the answer as 1 by 2. So the option is C. Now 9th question, it is also very big, but we solved few questions like this, like that only. So it is I'll tell the option for this. It's tan theta. So it is option A, B and C are there here. So it is we should do this according to our options, and it is also like same like few questions whatever we saw just now, just before. Now we will see next question. Now here finally we came to diamond package. So diamond package, first question is sin 3 theta sin cube theta plus cos 3 theta sin cube theta, right? Now if we see here, as you know, like same simplification, here you can cancel it. Then whatever is the remaining you can write here. Then just simplify. Then you will get the answer as 3 by 4 sin 4 theta. So it's option C. And next question also we will do like that only. And if you want to know what is the symbol of this, it is nothing but PHI. So if you want extra information, you can note this also. Okay. Then in this symbol is included. If you see here, with this the symbol, here we made a equation 1, equation 2, then we substituted, we both added this equation 1 and equation 2, we just added this, then we got the solution. This don't write, okay, that is just a simplification part. This part you just don't write it. After that, these are the steps, it will continue like this. Okay, don't write the steps, it's just a rough step. Okay, then 2 plus 2. After that, if we simplify this, we will get this. We just took this as separate, and 2 plus 2 is nothing but, as you know, it's 4, and 1 plus 4 cos square, and we just separated. Minus 2 will come here, 10 by 4 as it is. And then after that we simplified it more, and we got the answer as 5 by 8, right? That is nothing but B, option B. So with this we completed successfully our AM3. It's very lengthy, I know, and so many formulas are also there, I know. So you just learn the formulas and just apply the formula to the question, then you will get the answer. But it's little tricky, few questions are tough, I know, and lengthy also. So with this we completed our AM3 successfully. So do like, share and subscribe to Wish Problems, and share to your friends also. Until then, bye bye. Next video will come with AM4. Thanks for watching. Bye.